what better way to start the video than showing you boost? Now, today's another video, obviously, and if you're guessing by the thumbnail, we have a new project coming. No way, it's kind of crazy. Kind of, boo, tire light came on this morning. Anyways, bright and early, 6 a.m., driving 8 to 10 hours to get something. What could be worth driving 8 to 10 hours? Well, you're gonna have to check it out, but let's talk about the new shop build. It's a Civic. Not really a big fan of Civics. Never have been, but I thought I'd try it to see what it's all about. And if it's a Civic and it's on Boosted Nation's channel, what do you think it's gonna be, guys? It's gonna be kind of crazy in my eyes. Should I tell you now, or should I wait to tell you after? Oh God, maybe I'll wait. But I'll video along the way of this wonderful drive that we're gonna hit. I did start at 155,000 this morning. But I figured I'd stop and take a proper video. But from there on, let's see what we are. We're waiting on Mr. Turbo to come down. He's coming with me to give me a fun ride, keep me company. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll show you why we're driving like almost 10 hours round trip for something cool. Mind you, I'm paying like $250 for it, so it's kind of crazy. And it's for the Civic. So not much videoing for today, because let's face it, it's still raining, and now it is 1 o'clock. So it's been about 5 hours of driving. I have Turbo here. Since you don't know what we picked up yet, good time to tell you, we picked up a turbo kit. I know, crazy. Edelbrock D-Series GT Garrett 28 turbo kit. So that is the next project. Not that we need any more projects. Trailers, squirrel, yeah. So not that we need any more projects, but I'll toss it out there. We are boosting the Civic. Some big things are coming, so make sure you keep an eye up. And I'll show you the turbo kit when we get stopped and it's not raining. Yeah. Too bad it wasn't that Civic. Cause look, it's like I zoomed in. It's a nice early 90s, so like 92 to 95 EK. EG. I'm not a Civic guy. I guess I'm learning slowly, but yeah. Too bad. We should run into him, see if he wants to sell it. Okay, we'll be back when it's not raining and you can see the turbo kit. Okay guys, we just got back. It's like 5 o'clock, so it was a long day. As you see, Garrett GT 28 Turbo. We got the downpipe and test pipe. We got the lines. We have the external wastegate, the Edelbrock manifold. We have the Edelbrock intercooler as well that goes along with this kit, and some piping. We're missing one piping for the intake and for the blow-off valve. But for $250 and $100 worth of gas, it's well worth my time, which means welcome to the Turbo Civic build that we're gonna do, AKA, I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet. Leave a comment, let me know what you think I should call it. It's gonna be a D-Series Turbo, and there's still a big surprise coming that I'm gonna show you guys later that you probably haven't seen done before. So stay tuned and let me know what you think.